An estimated 200,000 people live in the crammed Kibra, a roughly 2.5 square kilometers maze of narrow lanes, ramshackle buildings, shanties and open sewers. What makes Kibra so apt to host disease outbreaks, a point of concern for the National Emergency Response Committee. Despite this, a section of residents here are unperturbed. It is a buzz of activity. From food vendors to hawkers, the setup of the place and the population density making social distancing almost impossible. For children, every time is playtime. Judith Vokale, a fish vendor at Lainsaba area of Kibra, says there are glaring gaps in sensitization of the local community.
Sijaiona ile yenye serikali inasema eti tunawaletea sabuni ya bure ama mask ya bure. Ni mpaka mimi mwenyewe ninunue. Lakini nasikia tu serikali inatoa mask. Kuna mask ziko za bure zinapeanwa, lakini mimi mwenyewe sijaiziona.
Having registered 4 COVID-19 cases, many here have improvised face masks. Never mind that they do not meet the WHO standards, but it is a tough choice for hundreds who are out of employment due to the pandemic.
Nasikia kuna mask sijaona zenye zimeletwa. Mtu anafaa jibaie. Kauna do ya food ya mask utatoa wapi?
Many here had enough about the coronavirus pandemic to know that they should wash their hands regularly to avoid infections. Yet with no running water to the one-room tenements they call home, they have few options left. Though much attention amid the current coronavirus pandemic has been focused on other areas, public health officials privately admit that they are more worried about the new battlegrounds, which are the slums such as Kibra. But there is one problem. Whereas other affected counties are putting elaborate measures to combat the virus, Nairobi appears to be lagging behind owing to what has been attributed to the tug of war between the county government of Nairobi and the Nairobi Metropolitan Service over running of finances.
There has been more confusion than actually more progress for the last 2 months since the deed of transfer was signed on February 25th.
We are not interested in the politics as of now. What we are interested in is that those Kenyans in those slums are served and that whatever is required in terms of infrastructure and human resources are availed and are available to serve them.
With cases already confirmed positive here in Kibra, the tug of war between the Nairobi County government and the NMS, according to observers, is doing little to alleviate the already dire situation. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.